kids, welcome back to another episode with Stella. Today we're going to be baking chocolate chip cookies and I hope you guys enjoyed the Easter colouring in craft. The secret to making these cookies so delicious is making hokey pokey to start with. Let me show you how. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Measure out 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. Place the following ingredients into a microwavable glass jug. Take your jug and put it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Get it out of the microwave, then place 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the mixture. Now's the fun part, it fizzes up. Stir it, put it off to the side and get ready to mix in the rest of the ingredients. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, half a cup of sugar, 125 grams of butter. Place the butter in the microwave until it is softened. Cream the butter and sugar in a large mixing bowl and beat it until it is light. Now stir in the golden syrup mixture that you just made. Once that is thoroughly mixed, add in chocolate chips and 1.5 cups of flour. Mix until combined. Roll the cookie batter into the size of your choice. Do you guys like cookie dough like I do, or do you prefer the finished product? Place the cookies evenly on an ungreased baking tray. Then use a fork to press them down and make little cross shape. Place the cookie dough in the oven and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes until it is golden brown. After you've made a huge mess in the kitchen, like I have, make sure to clean up. Use an oven mitt and be careful when you get them out. Make sure to wait until they're fully cooled down until you eat them. Thank you so much for participating in baking with me. I hope yours turned out really good and delicious. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. See you next time. Bye.
Oh, it's too long.
Don't do that, kids. Like a honeycomb. Let me show you.